Hi Cardinals, here is your grammar lesson for Thursday. So this can be found on your Google Slides or in your remote learning pack. So we are going to work on shades of meaning, and it says which is stronger. So it says some words mean almost the same thing. So like synonyms, two words that mean almost the same thing. For example, rainy and stormy are very alike. So you could say it's really rainy outside or it's really stormy outside, and they mean the same thing. However, stormy has a stronger meaning. We think of wind, thunder, and lightning with a storm. And when we say rainy, we might only think of just rain coming down. So stormy is stronger, or like a more exciting word to use than rainy when we're talking about weather. So we're going to work on looking at two words and deciding which one is the stronger word. So if I said big or gigantic, which one of those do you think is the stronger word? So if I say big or gigantic, or which one do you think would make a sentence more exciting? Okay, like the big dog ran towards me or the gigantic dog ran towards me. I think gigantic. So we want to be using adjectives that make our writing exciting and make it pop or make our reader interested in it. We don't want to use boring or what we call overused words. So here we have like beautiful and pretty. And we have to think which one of those words is stronger. So which one of those is a more exciting word? And we'll fill it in here. So we have the flowers were blank in the garden. Were beautiful or were pretty in the garden. So think which word you think is stronger. So I might say for this one, I think beautiful is a stronger word. Just because it's a word that we don't use all the time, we might use the word pretty a lot. That might be our first word we think of when we're describing something that looks nice. So beautiful would be another synonym or a stronger word for pretty. And then you will continue to read the sentences and decide which one is the stronger word. Now, they both make sense in the sentence. You have to pick the one that's more exciting, or it's a better word than the other one. So like a grown-up word or third grade word. So I know in my class we got away from using the word good, bad. Let's see, what else have we not said? Like big, small. So we want to use more exciting words instead of those ones. So I see some of them on here. I see good. So I don't want to just know if something's good. I want you to really describe it. Why was it good? And then on the next slide, it says some words mean almost the same thing, but they are still different. One of the words may be stronger or express more emotion or action. The other word may be weaker or express a less emotion or action. So a stronger word gets the emotion out. Maybe you change your voice when you say or read that word, whereas the weaker word's kind of like a boring word. So it says, there's an example, I think the bus goes to the library, and I know the bus goes to the library. Think and know are two similar words, but know is stronger since it has more conviction. So if you just think the answer, you're like, no, I know it. Okay, so that's giving you more action or more emotion. So you have words in the sentences that are down here in parentheses, and those are the words they want you to change. So instead of it saying, she said, don't answer the phone, I might write, she yelled, don't answer the phone. Okay, so that's a stronger word than said. I'm telling you how she was feeling. If she's yelling, she's probably feeling mad. When if you just say said, we don't know how she's feeling. We don't know her emotion. So that's an example. So let's look at number 2. Carl liked to stay inside during the cold weather. We don't want to say cold. Think of another word that means cold that would make the sentence a little bit more exciting or show more emotion or action for it. Our next one says the man was angry about the long line at the store. So angry and mad, those are kind of boring words, or words that aren't as exciting or weak as this worksheet calls them. So you want to think of a strong word for angry. So furious, frustrated, irritated. So those are stronger words. So you're going to type in a stronger word for the word that's in parentheses under the blank. So don't type in said, cold, angry, raining, large, said, cold, angry, raining, large. You're going to try to come up with other words for them. And it says, oh, I'm sorry, I did not see the second part of this. Part 2 says fill in the blank in each sentence with a word that's weaker. So instead of said, think of another word that's weaker, that's not very exciting. Or like cold. So my example would be for this the man was angry. A weak word would be mad. Okay, whereas my exciting or stronger word might have been furious. So when we're talking about strong and weak words, strong are the more exciting words. They give the reader stronger action or emotion. Maybe they read it differently when they're saying it. Whereas weaker words are kind of like boring words, words that are overused, and they don't really give us an action or emotion or a feeling. So the first 5 you're going to make strong words, and the last 5 you're going to make weak words. Okay? Alright, good luck with your grammar, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!